Well, thank you so much. So not only are they getting ready to get those packages out, they're going to be getting ready for what they'll have to deal with delivering all those packages over the next few days.
You always feel for these folks, especially when we have the weather that we are anticipating over the next 2 days. It's busy season for them. It's busy season for you as well. And we've got 2 rounds that leave us then with a little present at the end.
Oh. Did you put sub-zero wind chills on your Christmas list this year?
You know, I didn't this year, which must have slipped my mind. But my goodness, I'm not going to lie. We looked ahead to like next Thursday because we were excited that we get above freezing.
Right. So 2 snowstorms and then the Arctic chill.
Okay.
So let's take a look, kind of break it all down for you. Today's quiet and boring and 32 degrees. I'll take it,
So
right?
boring.
Yeah, we're going to look at tomorrow. In fact, the snow starts for snowstorm number 1 tonight after about 10 p.m. So expect the snow showers to start to build in between about 10 o'clock and midnight, and those will start to the south and west and shift toward the north and east, and they'll be coming down overnight and still snowing during the early morning rush. So this will have a high impact on the early morning commute tomorrow. Snow totals could be in the 3 to 5 inch range. I think the higher snowfall totals are potentially in our southern counties from this first one. So snow impacting your Friday morning. Give the road crews time, and your afternoon and evening plans should be a little bit better. As for Saturday, we start out dry, but temperatures are falling, and another clipper comes in the afternoon, and that drops another 2 to 4 inches of snow. And I put 2 to 4 plus because I actually think if either one of these overachieves, it might be the Saturday system, and that'll mess up the roads again for Saturday evening and overnight. And then by Sunday, the snow is gone, but the cold air has settled in. You're looking at single-digit actual air temperatures most of the day on Sunday, and with about an 8 to 10 mile an hour wind, it's going to feel like below zero all day long. Right now, things are relatively quiet. You may be looking out the window and seeing a fresh coating of snow, especially to the north. Those are the light snow showers that came through overnight. Those are gone. We're quiet during the day. The winter weather advisory goes into effect at 7 o'clock tonight and lasts through 10 a.m. tomorrow. So let's take a look at it here through the Futurecast. Today, it's quiet. Mostly cloudy, it's cold, the sun will try to peek out a little bit, but if you're planning on running a lot of errands Saturday afternoon, maybe today's the day to do it, because tonight by about 9 or 10 p.m., snow showers will start to move in. Again, they start to the southwest. They slowly build toward the north and east, and then overnight you've got some steady snow showers, kind of a fluffy snow that accumulates quickly. And as we head into the morning rush, though we'll be getting on the back side of this, you're still looking at active snow falling up through about the 8 o'clock hour. I think between 8 and 10 a.m., we see the snow showers move out. So snowstorm number 1 could drop 3 to 5 inches of snow depending on your location. Again, I think the higher totals are to the south, the lesser totals are to the north for Friday's system. Friday afternoon, give the road crews some time. Let them do their thing, and then your Friday evening won't be that messed up. You can head out Friday night, and then Saturday morning is also looking okay. Once we get into Saturday afternoon, this will be after about 2 p.m., snow showers move back in. Take a look here. You can see Saturday mid-afternoon. Here comes another round of quick-moving fluffy snow. It overspreads the entire area, and it sticks around well into the night. Snow showers don't fade Saturday night until sometime between about 10 p.m. and midnight. So you've got a really snowy afternoon and evening on Saturday. Sunday, you can see this opens this up for the cold air to build in. The skies clear out, and we're talking about single-digit temperatures for much of Sunday. So the snowfall forecast for tonight, 3 to 5 inches of snow. Again, 2 to 4 possible on Saturday. I think we might be leaning toward upping those amounts for the Saturday system. So let's get to it, kind of break it down day by day as we take a look at your 7-day forecast. For today, mostly cloudy skies. We've got some snow coming our way tonight, but anything you have going on during the day, dress for the 20s. We got a little breeze. Wind chills will be in the 20s all day today. For tomorrow, snow is around first thing in the morning. It will impact the morning commute. Again, 3 to 5 inches, more to the north, to the south, less to the north. Sunday morning, single digits. They kind of speak for themselves, don't they? Wind chill about 10 below for tailgates, wind chill of 5 below at kickoff of the Bengals game, and a heads up for Monday morning. Actual temperature could dip down to 0 with the clear skies and that fresh snowpack.
I think the pause said it all.
100%. The
Randy,
hard pause for emphasis.
Thank you.
Well executed.